guys, this is the Red Cow Gamers. Today we are at a falls thing. Waterfall. Here, look.
Huh?
Okay, we're gonna climb it now. I stepped in it, it's so cool. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Let's go. Don't on the falls. We're gonna climb up it. Okay. Ooh, that's refreshing. Oh, but it's so cold. That is. Okay, guys, we're gonna climb up it. Okay. Woo. Okay. The shoes are so weird. Oh, honey, okay, let's go here. How do you climb up it? Here. Now we're going in. Let's see. Daddy,
what?
It's pretty deep.
It's really deep. Okay, go.
It's deep. Daddy, it's up to our knees. It's up to our knees.
Okay, go.
Okay. Let's go in the bubble.
I know. In the car.
Come on. Look at
No, no.
Bubbles! 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 I gotta go out! Where's his gun? Okay, I'm coming out! Daddy, Daddy! Okay. Look at huge! Look at me! They're climbing up to there. Okay. Did you throw the mic up so? Yep, I think so.
Oh, gosh.
Okay. Go up here. Wait, I'm gonna wash my hand. No! I'm gonna grab your car. God! Not yet, Daddy said. What? Okay, I'm fine. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna climb up here right now. All the way up there. Let's see if we can do it. Be careful! He's stuck! He's stuck, everybody. He is stuck. Look how high that is. There's the bottom. And then blah, 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 blah. He's probably like 20 feet in the air. Wow. Look how soaked he is. That was awesome. Ty's too scared to do it. Okay, I'm coming down. Stop recording. Okay, now we're just walking, hiking. No times, Marco, not Polo.
Marco. Polo.
No, look at my walking stick.
Here, you said.
Here.
Okay, we're going.
Come here.
What?
onto this ginormous rock.
Okay.
Much
I'll meet you in the middle.
Hi, Follow. Okay. I'm gonna walk up this.
Yes, seats were dry here, Daddy.
Go down here and go with Ty.
Look at
Okay.
I'm like Marco Polo from that commercial.
Marco.
Sì.
Marco.
Scusa,
Polo.
ma io sono Marco Polo, ma
Okay, we all walk.
Wash my feet off. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Really cold, guys.
Let's try to catch some fish.
Ting. The olden days. Oh, dude, it's a bunch of stuff.
Okay. Oh, that's sunny.
Come, guys. Careful here.
Oh, we're wet. The entire soap. What? You saw something jump out of the water?
Back, and then it just sprinted away.
Ah! Okay. Ah. Okay. Wash my feet. I know, but there's even more rocks in it.
Hey, wait.
Okay. Walk towards Ty. Now Ty's gonna vlog. It's me vlogging now. Sorry if it's so shaky. Because look how many rocks. So yeah. Oh. No. Ow. Yeah.
No. Okay, guys. Josh's gonna vlog now.
What? No, I'm not.
Yeah, you
okay.
are. Too bad I don't know how to vlog.
Okay.
I'm better
Oops.
at everything else but vlogging.
Woo.
Wow. You can't even see our way back. That's cool. Okay. Let's keep on going.
I'm so soaked.
Keep going.
Yeah.
No, can we go back?
No, wait, not yet. I want to see what's behind this.
Ooh, wait, you guys want to see this? Okay.
I want to see what's behind these now.
Huh?
It won't go to the zoo.
Okay.
It won't go to the zoo.
It's like the zoo.
Ooh, that crack.
Okay. Joshua and Tyler, where are you going?
Oh, I don't know. Okay. Going the other way.
Oops, wrong way.
Ah, it got stuck. My stick got stuck.
Go, go. Watch your step. Watch your step. Go.
The green.
There you go. Okay. Be careful. Be careful. Don't
Climbing
touch
up
anything.
this, it's really
One
steep.
at a time. Hold on. Hold on. Step on this.
Oh, it's slippery too.
I'm going to keep my stick there.
Whoa.
can't go
Whoa. Sorry if this is really shaky.
That's what I said.
Okay.
It's really hard to climb.
Go.
Whoa. Ah.
Go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now we are going down this.
Down.
All right. I'm not gonna fail. Okay, go.
Huh. Steep.
No, don't keep falling down. You're gonna get hurt. Okay.
Okay.
At the side. Isabella.
I'm gonna fall. Ah.
Right here. You're gonna watch your step.
Oh, look at my shadow. Ow! I got hit by a branch.
Joshua and Tyler, wait up.
Okay. Look at that water, water, water. I slipped. I slipped. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Okay, so guys, we got these things from the ice cream truck. I got a orange creamsicle milkshake, and Ty got, what did you get?
A blue raspberry slushie, but I added Sprite to it.
And here is, wait,
Rain-
it's already mixed up.
Rainbow
Rainbow
slushie.
slushie.
I like every flavor on the menu.
Okay.
And this was a dip
It's a
cone
half-heated ice cream cone.
that was dipped in chocolate.
The red cow
Gamers out.